Hey Algebra 2 students, today we are going to take a look at 6.4 Inverse Functions Day 2. The purpose of this video is to show you how to verify that two functions are inverses. So you see in green right here it says in order to verify that two functions are inverses, you must show that the composite equals x. So you have to understand the directions and what the directions mean and what you need to do. So here I have either you can show f of g of x equals x or g of f of x equals x. Either one of those will verify that functions are inverses. So when we look at number 1, it says verify that f and g are inverses. Notice that it doesn't say show the composite equals x. You need to know that the directions verify that f and g are inverses means show this right here. So my goal here is I'm going to show that f of g of x equals x, or g of f of x equals x. So from our composite lesson, I'm going to take the g of x function and put it into the f of x function. So f of g of x would equal g of x equals, in place of this x right here is going the g function. So x plus 3 minus 3. So that is the composite of f of g of x. I'm going to simplify that. The 3 and the negative 3 leaves me with x. So what have I shown? I have shown that f and g are inverse functions because f of g of x equals x. Let's try it again. Okay, the same directions. Verify that f, in this case f inverse, which is the same as g, okay, verify that these two different functions are inverse functions. So what am I going to show? I'm going to show that f of g of x must equal x. If it doesn't, then they're not inverse functions. So same thing as last time. I'm going to take my g function. I'm going to put it in place in the f function where x is. So my composite f of g of x equals 2 times the cube root of x minus 1 over 2 cubed plus 1. So I replaced this into x. Oops. Now a reminder, the cube root and cubed are functions that undo each other, so they will cancel each other out. When I start cleaning up my left hand side, or excuse me, my right hand side, I have 2 times x minus 1 over 2 plus 1. The cube root and the cubed undo each other. Well, I have 2 over 1, so my 2's cancel. I'm left with x minus 1 plus 1. My 1's cancel, so I'm left with x. So what have I shown? I have shown that f and g are inverse functions because they're composite. F of g of x equals x. So, here's what I want you to do. Well, my computer will act... Hold on. There we go. So here are your video examples. I want you to do these two examples for class tomorrow. Notice that it says verify that f and g are inverse functions. To verify that, you're going to show that the composite equals x. Thanks so much for watching the video. See you tomorrow in class.